Hi everyone, back again with what is episode 3.5. I'll wrap up the floor. It's getting a bit boring now and I want to move on to something else. We'll be taking off the other 8 panel, taking the sills off and removing the upper bulkhead section. So let's go, go, go. Well, there's something missing from here and it's round here with Dave P. Taking this side off. Now there he is, look. Hey. Okay, hello, and we managed to get the bulkhead off as well of the car we got the floor from, and as you can see, there's not a great deal left of this. Someone's put, I don't know, some kind of sticky, horrible foil over it to stop it, the water coming through. The blower must have been very ineffective with that going on. But as you can see, it's probably one of the worst I've ever seen. It's actually probably worse than Alan's in a way. There you go. And yeah, inside, and it's just gone there where the heater box would have been. But luckily enough, from my point of view, it's got rather a nice dash panel that's better than the ones I've got, so I should be using that. Brilliant. A bit windy out today. I'm just going to take this bit off the bulkhead there that I don't need. It's still on the top here all along. It's going to whiz it off, and yeah, move on to something else. It's a bit thick there because of the plate, so going through blades a bit quick. Good boy, Ben, good boy. I know, you're a good lad. You've been running and stuff, and he's stinky. Ah, stinky horrible dog, aren't you? Eh? Stinky horrible dog. like it, Ben. That's a little bit neater. Okay, let's turn it over and open the window, blow it over. Super. Hi, Ben. Is anybody sniffing? Right then. Good friend Darren Field has supplied me with a pair of over chassis rails, which I probably won't be using now because I think I'll repair these. They're only gone at this end, both sides, but the rest of them, Ben, go on. The rest of them actually seem alright. So, I'll probably be using them. A little bit of repair needed, but not too bad. Now the rear bit where it forks isn't too good. It looks like it's collected water for a bit and then rotted out. Not sure what the top one's like yet. It looks in slightly better nick, but I can't remember what the ones on Allen are like. So we'll see. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing now is cutting out the top sill. It's all full of this horrible gunk which has got absolutely everywhere. It's absolutely underfoot everywhere. So I'm just going to cut this out anyway. Put the top sill out. And I'll put it on the tripod here. Yeah. Super. Okay, let's zip through the bottom part. Awful, this stuff. Don't be under seal. I see it's done its job. That build up, lovely. There. Clag. What's about this time? Oh, that's the easy side. Now for the hard side. Okay, let's slice through the top of the sun. Even I need eye protection in this one. Danger rolls. Back in a sec. Oh, probably the most useful tool in the arsenal. Hammer. I suppose give it weight. Need a support. That'll fix it. I better get a new blade. Tell me what new package of blades, I think. I'll go through them all. Whoosh. Back in a sec. Right, we should slice right through. Nearly there, just the rear bit. Sorry about that. I crashed you on the floor. Well, the wind did. I'll put you a bit lower. I missed a bit. strengthening plate looks quite good, doesn't it? Right, let's have a little look what we got here. Hey. Jacking point this side looks alright, strangely enough. And it's funny how they all rot down here, but this one hasn't. Really, well, it has rotted a bit, obviously, but it's not that bad compared to what I've seen. The inner sill, not too bad. That's alright. I'll probably save that. And apart from the rust in there, yeah. This is the only side it's gone, really. Yeah. There we go. Now I've got to remove the rest. Wish me luck. The boring bit then, it's just pain in the arse trying to get that off without damaging the floor and damaging the rear jacking point, because I know Mindy's short of one of those, so when I come to do the inner and outer sills properly, at least I've got a decent jacking point. Right then, that's what I'm left with. I've cut through slightly, just there, but I can weld that up, it's no problem. So take that off, take the rest of that sill off. I'll keep that seat mounting point there. I'll make sure to keep that, and well, here we go, onward and upwards. Hello. As you can see, I've taken out the seat mounting debris from there. Just ground a little bit in there. I can put a bit of welding and sort it out. But I'm just going to grind out some of these spot welds here. One of the ways to do it with a grinder, and just grind it until you go through the first layer, and you can just see a little crack appearing around the outside when you know you've got it. So you don't grind too far into the panel you want to keep, or the part of the panel you want to keep. In this case, right, let's give it a go. The off we could see what I was doing. I'll try again. Let's see how close we are. Just a little bit more on this edge here. That was released. Normally I'd start one end and work way down, but I couldn't find a place to mount the camera, so I thought I'd show you that one there. I'll do the rest off camera because it's boring stuff. I've not bored you with the unpicking of this, but this is the A post I've removed from the A panel, which took a lot of unpicking, And I didn't know where the spot welds were, and there's bloody loads of them. It took absolutely ages, but it's off now. To repair this, you can't get these. You used to be able to get over panels, but they were no good anyway. So this is the best one I've got. Got to repair it. And in much better condition is the A panel. So there's a little bit of grot at the top there to be repaired, but otherwise we're all right. Dave P's having that. He needs one of those. There we go, lovely. And Popmaster's on, so bye for now. Okay, so I didn't show any of the drilling of the A panel from the A post before. I thought I'd show one on camera on the other one I'm doing on close up, so you can see exactly what I've been doing and know exactly how boring it is. So I'm going to do it on this panel over here in a minute. Bye for now. Okay, let's go. Let's try this one. There you go, that one. Right. Let's change this drill bit. Let's get this knacker drill bit out, which has seen better days. Got some more coming from China, but for the time being, this is all I've got. It's a bit blunt. There we go, and that's that one done. Not going to go through all of them with you, but it's a bit boring. It takes for ages, takes forever. Super. Okay, so there's more to do on the floor. I need to separate the lower bulkhead bit of the floor from the floor proper. Also look at how the chassis rails join each other and separate the bits that I don't want from the bits that do. And there's also the bit I hate the most, which clean all the bleeding gunk off it. However, for now that's it, and if I do feature the floor again, it will be in a very minor way, or more excitedly, when it's actually going in. Next up, we'll be bracing the chassis, so we need to source some cheap steel for that. So, see you in part 4, and bye for now.